Hey guys, so you've already seen me do multiple videos with the Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers collection this year. I found that collection at CVS, but what I did not know at the time was that that was only a small part of the collection. And I bought two eyeshadow palettes, did some videos with them, and I didn't buy all the things they had at CVS because either I already had similar items at home or I didn't want them. So I bought the two eyeshadow palettes and I thought, well, I guess that's it for this year. But then I saw a post on social media of somebody saying that the collection was at Target and they showed a picture of a bunch of items that I wasn't even aware existed. So I went on the Target website and it said that they had it in select stores. So I went to one of the stores that was supposed to have it. It wasn't out. I asked somebody if they would go in the back and get me some items. She wouldn't do it. So then I checked the website again and I was going to do a store pickup, but store pickup wasn't available at that store that I was at. So I went home and I found a store that did have store pickup. I went to that store. I placed an order on the website and asked for store pickup. And after about an hour and a half, it said items not found. Do you want to cancel the order? Well, of course I wanted to cancel the order because they couldn't find the items. So I was really disappointed, and my husband said, well, is there anybody else you can order this from online? I said, that's a good idea, honey. So I checked the Wet n Wild website. It wasn't on the website yet. Actually, they just posted the Disney Villains collection on their website, which I don't know why they wait so long. But anyways, I started thinking, well, Walmart has had a lot of Wet n Wild stuff. They had the Disney Villains collection. I went on the Walmart website, I ordered it, I had it shipped to my house, and I got the items, and it did not take long. It only took a day. I ordered it, the next day, the items got delivered to my house. So that I think is the best way to go if you guys are interested in any of the products that I'm going to show you. So I already have on a lot of base products, which will be listed in the description box as always. But the first thing I'm going to start with, because I'm going to apply these things with you, is the Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers Contour Palette in Zombie Apocalypse. And this is gray and white. And I don't just use these contour palettes that Wet n Wild has as contour palettes. I also think they make great eyeshadow palettes because I have the Dulce de Leche. I hope I'm saying that right. Um, and I use the contour shade on that a lot for a contour color for eyeshadow. So I thought this would be great because I thought, okay, let's try it. It's gray, so I thought we can try it on my face, and it might be too gray, but even if that doesn't work out, this would be a great eyeshadow palette, and there's a ton of products, so it would last you forever. So let's just try it. I've never tried a gray contour on my face before, but I'm going to try it. So I'm just going to tap my contour brush in here. Oh, that's very, very gray. I mean, in theory, it should work, especially with my skin tone, because I'm very light and very pink. So it should work. It's a little gray. I mean, it is gray, but I mean, yeah. Oh, that's very, very gray. Yeah, I don't know, guys. What if I blend it a ton? It's very, very gray, but it's blending out pretty well. Ooh, I don't know, guys. Mm, Yeah, it's blending out pretty well, but honestly, I don't think I would use this again as a contour because it is so gray. But if you were doing maybe some Halloween makeup, maybe you could incorporate this to do a Halloween look, but I think it's too gray for a contour. And then the white would be, the highlight shade. I don't know. I have another highlight I'm going to use, so I'm not going to use that highlight. But I think I'm going to use that as a gray matte eyeshadow because those aren't always easy to find. And the texture and quality of these products in the contour palettes are very good. All right, let's move on. So there is a cream blush in this collection that looks like a brain, and it's called Pick My Brain, and it's a very, very warm red. So I'm going to take my old Essence cream, well, my old Essence brush. So they released some of these in the Disney Villains collection, and I like these a lot. It's a very nice texture, very easy to blend. So that is the cream blush from Fantasy Makers. This I was super intrigued with, and this color doesn't necessarily go well with that blush I just applied, but I want to show you the products and how they look on. This is a, let's get the wording right, Shimmer Gel Pot in like a mint green. Isn't that gorgeous? The shade is called Metamorphic. I've never seen anything like this. Don't throw this away. That will keep it from drying out. But look at that, guys. Oh my God. Now I'm going to use my finger. Oh wow, you know what you could do with this if you really wanted to go crazy? You know that NYX Buttermelt highlighter they have? It's the same shade, guys. You could layer that right on top of this and really make it look crazy if you wanted to. So I was really excited about this. Yeah, a mint gel highlighter. Oh boy. Okay, and here's what really blew my mind. There's another eyeshadow palette. So there's three total. This is called Dark Magic. Gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, so let's do some finger swatches. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking at these and I'm like, how am I going to decide which ones to use? I got to get a tissue. Hold on. The quality of Wet n Wild products just blows my mind how nice they are. All right, let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. Ah, how am I going to decide? Guys, they all swatch so nice. All right, let me remove these and do the rest. All right, so there's 2 left in this palette. These 2 here. Okay, so now let's make a decision. Okay, this is not part of this collection, but I wanted to use a Wet n Wild eyeliner. So this is the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Gel Eyeliner in black, because I'm going to use this on my waterline. All right, I'm gonna tweak this a little bit, do the other eye, curl my lashes, apply my mascara, and come back and show you the lip product that I'm very excited about. Okay, so when the Chameleon Chrome collection came out, I bought both the highlighters from that collection, but I did not try the Chrome lip foils. Well, in the Fantasy Makers collection, there are two shades of that. So this is my first time trying that product. Yeah, Chameleon Chrome lip foil. So one is like very pink. This one is very complex. Sorry, I had to go get a drink of water. Um, so yeah, this shade is very complex. So the pinkish one is called Nymph's Whisper, and the blue one that actually has other colors in it is called Serpent's Spell. But yeah, these, depending on the angle, see that? Watch what happens there. Depending on the angle you look at this, this is a multi-chrome. So it looks kind of greenish there. And now I'm going to tilt it and it's going to look purple. Okay, now what happens with this one when I do that? Yeah, the pink one doesn't seem to do it as much, but yeah, there's the other color right there. But it's definitely more pronounced on the deeper shade. So, very interesting. So, of course, I want to go for this one because it's got a more obvious shift to it. All right, here we go, guys. This is really interesting. Gonna have to dip back in to get more product. Okay, so I want to read to you what it says on the packaging on the back of this. A multi-chrome lip color packed with sparkling pigments and ultra-reflective pearls that shift with every angle of light, creating a bold, intense, sparkling effect on the lips. Who would have ever thought that it would be possible to make something like this at this price point? Now, I don't know if I don't think this is gonna like set up or dry or anything. I think it's just gonna stay almost like a lip gloss. But wow. So if I tilt my face, yeah, you can. Oh my God, guys. The top part of my lip is very like blue green. And then if I tilt my head back, the lower part of my lip is purple. Whoa. This is incredible. Now I wish I had tried the ones they released with the other one. But you know what? I don't know if that Chameleon Chrome collection is limited edition because I keep seeing those at stores and I think they might be restocking them because it's like the display was gone and then it's full again. So that Chameleon Chrome collection might be permanent. I'm not really sure. I'll see if I can find out for you. But Whoa. This collection is something else, guys. It really is. Really look forward to the Fantasy Makers collection every year, but some of the products in here were just, yeah. All right, so Target and Walmart. I ordered this, like I said, from Walmart, had it shipped to my house. You can do the same thing with Target, but with Target, I think you have to have a higher price point or something to get the free shipping. But this is worth seeking out. There are some really cool things in this collection. You go, Wet n Wild. You're doing a great job. I just love all the stuff that they've been putting out. The Disney Villains collection that they came out with is tons of cool stuff in that. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and subscribing. If you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know you enjoy them. And I'll see you next time. Bye.